everyone, it's Summer here from the Bonjoro team, and today I'm going to be introducing Bonjoro's newest feature for testimonials, tagging. Tagging will allow you to stay organized and create multiple walls of love based on your tags. So let's jump into it. To start, head to the Testimonials tab inside Bonjoro, then click into your responses. Once here, click on the tag and create a new one. For example, marketing. Once you've created your tag, you can add it to any text or video responses you would like, which will allow you to group those responses into a wall of love. Once you've tagged all the responses you would like, head to the Publish tab. Here, select Wall of Love and then select the tag you would like in order to add those tagged assets to your Wall of Love. Then preview the asset before adding it to your website with a simple embed code you can obtain right here. Then you're set to go. You can now keep your testimonial responses organized and create multiple different walls of love. Let me know if you have any questions, and otherwise, happy Bonjoring!